Good day. My name is Tan Cheng Hui. So today I'm going to present my final year project with the title Environmental Regulation, Industrial Innovation, Green Growth Performance in 5 Asian countries. So firstly, the introduction. Nowadays, the continuous expansion of factories and industrial area causing a negative impact on the planet. Therefore, we should recommend people around the world to stop being the one who kill the planet or even though ourselves. Moreover, green growth performance can be improved by environmental regulation towards industry. Environmental pollution issue had causing problems around the world, so environmental regulation can be implemented to citizens to avoid them from doing illegal action. Then, industrial innovation have increased green growth performance. Through innovation, industry can handle legal and environmental issues. Innovation may enable the industry to reduce waste generation. The next one, problem statement. Green growth performance cannot be reached because of the pollution in developing countries. It can be seen that one of the factors that can influence the green growth performance is environmental regulation. Besides, the problem of industrial innovation occur in the industrial sector. Industrial innovation had caused an inequality of wealth. There is two research objectives in this study. The first one is to examine the effect of the environmental regulation on green growth performance. The second one is to evaluate the moderating role of industrial innovation on environmental regulation and green growth performance. So the next one is literature review. What is green growth performance? As Bring Asia editorial state that green growth is fostering economic growth in which natural resources is applied in a sustainable manner. As OECD said, a new form of green growth has born in the early 2000s, emphasizing the promotion of economic growth and development while ensuring the natural asset continue to provide the resources and environmental service on which we depend. The next one, environmental regulation, can be known as natural resources policy or law. Environmental pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented, said by Barry Commoner. And then industrial innovation can come from three main sources. The first one, internal research and development, transfer from domestic and foreign industry, from institution from who. As Barack Obama said, innovation is a creation of something that improves the way we live our life. The next one is research design in theoretical framework. The environmental regulation is the independent variable which can affect the green growth performance, GGP, and the moderating variables, industrial innovation, can affect the ER to GGP. There is two hypothesis development in this study. The first one, there is positive relationship between environmental regulation and green growth performance. The second one is there is positive relationship that industrial innovation moderate the relationship between environmental regulation and green growth performance. Research design. This study used the secondary data of 5 Asian countries from 2007 to 2017 for empirical testing. Those secondary data are collected from World Bank data and VP Statistical Review of World Energy 2018 and 2019. Then, the green growth performance measurement of variables includes coal consumption, oil consumption, natural gas, carbon dioxide emission, energy input, total labor force, and gross capital information. While the environmental regulation is include general government final consumption expenditure. And the next one, industrial innovation, is included research and development expenditure, patents, and industrial design application. The next one is data analysis. This chapter describes that the data collection by using World Bank data and examined by using data. Then the descriptive analysis show that general government consumption expenses has the highest mean of over the three variables of 10.86 across 55 observations in the range 5.55 to 17.12, which were the minimum and maximum value. The next one, regression analysis. The purpose of this table is to predict the result based on historical data. The next one is diagnosis test, which also known as VIF. If the VIF is close to 1, which means that the model will be more powerful. The next one, the Hausman test. If the Hausman test is significant, use fixed effect, therefore reject random effect. And in this study, we are using fixed effect. The next one is the heteroscedasticity test. This table shows that there is significant at 1% level with Chi 19.18, and it means that there is a heteroscedasticity problem. So we need to do serial correlation test to solve the problem. This table shows that there is a significant at 1% level correlated on probe more than F equal to 0.0005, and it shows that there is a serial correlation problem too. So we need to do describe Kreyszig standard errors. The table below proves that the R-square is 25.27 and show that green growth performance positively related with the general government consumption expenditure at 1% significant level with coefficient value of 6.17%. The next one is the table below proof that the R-square is 23.43%. The result show that moderating effect, industrial innovation, is not significant, which means that the industrial innovation is not moderate the relationship between general government expenditure and green growth performance. Last but not least, the conclusion. The empirical result shows a significant relationship between environmental regulation and green growth performance. The research shows that there is no significant relationship of environmental regulation that affected by industrial innovation and give an impact to green growth performance. In this research, there are some limitations occur and causing difficulties in carrying on the research. Firstly, the study is geographical bias in 5 countries of Asia. Other than that, secondary data that were used in this research is limited. The next one, implication to the study. This research will eventually have a major impact on government and market merchants, which it can become a reference in the future. In future, there will be more people to contribute and seek the importance of green product in the future. So this is all for today. Thank you.